Alright, here is my Aerospeed BX100 black version. It is rebranded for a comfort zone. And we're going to go ahead and run it. It's what's left of Lakewood when Lakewood sold out to Camair, or as better known as Aerospeed. Well, let's go ahead and run it. For the sake of video, we're going to run it at full power. I hope that you'll be able to hear the wind stream. If not, my apologies too. It looks like you guys can hear the wind stream. Enjoy the video. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, love, and like. Lamont the Fan Man and out. Spin down time is decent. However, the blade is out of balance. And the hub. It's interesting, it didn't do it that time, but earlier when I ran it off camera, it did do it. Where the blade went back and forth. But this time it decided not to do it. So I don't know. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. Whatever, I'm tired. It didn't make sense, did it? Let's try it again. Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. Perfect. Now that makes sense. Thanks for watching. Lamont the Fan Man, who comes to get your block. When I get tired at night, that's just what happens. Freak shows always happen. You can leave comments, but make sure they're on the content and not on me. Lamont the Fan Man and out.